Siberians. And we're off. The Siberians win the face-off. Okay, there we go. All right, Yorktown Siberians get a clear. It's now in the Seagulls zone. Oh, they almost scored. There they go. Vivapod's trying to take it out of the zone. Oh, Vivapod so far has had more possession than the Seagulls. As the Siberians clear again. Here it goes. Vivapod trying to get it out the zone. Vivapod is more of an advantage when it's set up right now, but Vivapod's doing a lot better with possession-wise. Cleared by Vivapod. It is now in the Siberian zone. I'm here with my broadcast partner, Vivapod. Yeah. Cleared by Vivapod in the zone. They're going here. Oh, Vivapod about to score a goal. But Vivapod blocks it. The Seagulls have good defense, but the thing is, the Siberians have the best defense in the league. So the Seagulls are the best team in the league, but the Siberians have the best defense in the league. So these are the two best teams playing against each other. Yeah, the Siberians have never been in the playoffs.
This is their first time.
So this isn't the playoffs yet. So far, the Siberians are doing a lot better with possession. They have more shots, and they've been a little bit more clinical. Whoa! Great clear by Vivapod. That angle wasn't as good, though. Oh, and cleared by Vivapod. There's remaining 3:05 seconds left in it. 3 minutes left in the period. This is an entertaining matchup. The two best players. And Vivapod needs to use a lot more shift lock, but he's trying. He's doing pretty good too. He has more possession. Oh, Vivapod's close to scoring a goal. We are now tied. We're tied with two shots for each team. Oh, it is now in the Seagull zone. Vivapod clearing it out of the zone, needs to score, and that was a bad move.
Yeah, that was a bad move as well.
He cleared it out into his own zone. Oh, he cleared it back into Seagull zone. Oh, it looks like he was about to score, but he misses just wide by a foot. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the period. Vivapod gets ahead of the puck. Vivapod trying to chase him up. Trying his best to defend. He fails, though. Oh, Vivapod messing up a little bit. And it's wide. He tries to clear it, but it's not working well. Oh, he scores! Yay! The Seagulls score! Vivapod did not take that well. All right, we have the instant replay now. That was a beauty backhand.
Oh, that was a score.
That was a beauty backhand from Vivapod. Here, let's get a closer look. Damn, that was his stick, bro.
Dang.
And he's not known for having a lot of latency. Because he has high ping, but he doesn't have a lot of latency.
Yeah.
And he still scores goals like this.
Yep.
Okay, we are back from our break. It was 4 minutes long. Whoa, that was a tie, I guess I'd say, but Vivapod touched the puck. All right, it's stuck in the Siberian zone. Oh, Vivapod's looking like he's about to score a goal. That was a kind of a weird. Does no offsides on that one. Whoa! All right, instant replay. As we see, he took the puck, bounced it off the boards. Perfect angle. Tyler, Viva Todd, beautiful. Viva Todd tried to do it. Viva Todd tried to do that earlier, but failed. All right, as we're getting ready for the face-off. All right, here we go. 1 minute remaining in the period, pretty much. All right, as we go. Oh, it's delaying game. Amazing, just amazing. It's
Very amazing.
It's so annoying. Delaying game. There it is. All right. Yorktown Sports Center, home of the Yorktown Siberians. We do horse racing, etc. Coming out soon. We started construction. Buy tickets for future games now. Founded by none other than Viva Todd, also known as T-Boys 914. All right, we are here for a face-off. So far, the Helsinki Seagulls are winning 2-0. Yeah, it is a long chant. They're all saying you suck to the Seagulls because they're away, even though, well, it's not actually the Siberians arena. They're home, and this arena's closer to where their fan base is going to be. So, 1 minute remaining in the period. We are in the Seagull zone.
Yep.
Viva Todd almost got it. Oh, cleared by Viva Pod.
Yep.
No, there might be an icing. Oh, it's Viva Pod's about to score. We don't know though. There's and it was wide. Viva Todd gets back up on his feet. Don't know what's happening. Oh, Viva Pod is keeping possession of the puck. He will not let go.
Yep. You will not.
Oh, he's about to score. Oh, so close. They right now have 7 shots, even though it's 7. All right. This has been an entertaining first period. And we still have 2 more periods to go. This is long, but very long. It's been 7 minutes, even though they're 5-minute periods.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is the last seconds of the period, and
time.
We're gonna get our international report.
Okay.
All right. All right. That was a long first period. Seagulls are winning 2-0. 7 shots for the Seagulls, 4 for the Siberians. We are in Phoenix Center in Albany. It has been a fun night.
Very fun.
The second goal for the Seagulls was similar to what Todd tried to do. All right, we are here for the second period.
Yep, we are here.
That was a beautiful clear.
Very beautiful clear.
It's still 7-4 shot. Oh, no, the Siberians have 5 shots. Seagulls are still winning 2-0. All right. Viva Todd's struggling to get it out. You could just use shift lock there, but okay.
Yeah.
And he clears it out. He doesn't use lots of shift lock, which he really should. All right. That is Viva Pod. Viva Pod clears it, bounces out of the zone. Viva Pod's doing really good defensively, but so is Todd. Good time. So here we go. Vivopod behind his net, clears it out of the zone. Vivopod gonna probably get it back in unless Vivopod. Oh, this is weird. Oh, he cleared it into his own zone on accident.
Cleared it.
That's not good for Vivopod. Unless he can try to get it out. Yet again, not using shift lock.
I don't know why he's not using shift lock.
Can't see Vivopod. He's like, now you can. Him with his beautiful black arm command over there. Alright, he cleared it out. Oh, that was a nice clear.
Very nice clear.
6 shots for Yorktown. I know it says Detroit. It was an accident. The Siberian, Yorktown.
Yeah.
No, we can't do it anymore. Alright, it's up. And it looks like it was a whistle. I don't know what offsides. Alright, we are here for the face-off, and let's see what happens here. Oh, Vivopod wins the face-off, even though it ends up in his own. Nice little hit by Vivopod, and here we go. Vivopod is trying to get it out, which he does successfully. Oh, he's in front of Vivopod. Breakaway!
Breakaway!
Oh, and the breakaway's gone, but he still has a chance here. And it's in the ice. They're still going though, so it's not a stoppage. Right? He's barely using any shift lock. Vivopod, he should though. Okay. Vivopod is not allowing Vivopod to have the puck, but Vivopod is still trying to make it through. Clear by Vivopod. Vivopod is in front of Vivopod. Vivopod looks like he's showing no signs of catching up. And Vivopod's looking like he's almost scored. He's about to score. Let's see. Vivopod shoots it around the net, so he's now in a clear way to get a shot. He's just making it harder for himself now, not using shift lock and aiming. Vivopod regained possession of the puck. They are now in the neutral zone. Oh, it is in the Siberian zone. Vivopod deking with it, stick handling beautifully. Vivopod clears it. Vivopod almost caught it. He touched it, but he didn't catch it. And it didn't leave the neutral zone. And Vivopod clears. Okay, interesting. There is around 2 minutes left in this period. Okay. Vivopod about to score. Oh, he misses. That's 9 shots, I think. Oh, it was an own goal. Vivopod scored an own goal.
For the Seagulls.
Wow, he scored an own goal.
Just no way.
That was an own goal. Let's watch that. All right, we have an instant replay. So obviously it went to the board, and he just did a backhand. I guess he didn't really watch, and it just went in.
Yeah, just went in. Just like that.
That was just sad. Lowered. Let's see. Alright. And we're going to start face-off in a couple seconds. There's around a minute 30 left in the period.
Face-off.
And face-off is happening now. Alright. And there you go. Vivopod wins face-off. It is in the Siberian zone. Oh, he almost cleared it. Oh, and it was wide. But he did get a shot. That's 11, I think. Alright, let's see.
See?
Oof. Vivopod is struggling. 3-0 now. 10-6 with shots. Okay. Yep. We are using the Element Center Entertainment scoreboard because there's the only scoreboard there is. And there they go. Vivopod. The puck. Vivopod approaches and manages to take it. Yep. And he clears out into the neutral zone as it reaches the Siberian zone. Oh, it hit the glass. And Vivatide got it between the legs. And it went into the Seagulls zone. Yeah, bounced off the boards. Vivapod out of possession. And he's not looking like he's going to give it to Vivatide anytime soon. But Vivatide tries. Oh, he's trailing. Vivapod shoots. And Vivatide deflects it and clears. But it's slightly out of the zone, in the zone. I don't know what's happening anymore. Okay, on as they go. Vivapod. Oh, he's in front. He scores! Score! Right. As we see, Vivapod's in front. He just gets a great shot and boom, right into the bottom right corner. At 4 seconds left. As we're here for the face-off, 4 seconds left, so it's pretty much useless. They go and boom, end of the period. Yep. Yorktown Sports Center, home of the Yorktown Siberians. We do horse racing, etc. Coming out soon. We started construction. Buy tickets for future games now. Founded by none other than Vivatide, also known as T-Boys 914. Alright, we're lined up for the face-off for the third period. 5 minutes fresh to go. 4-0 Seagulls. Face-off's about to start. Right? And the Vivatide wins, even though it went in a zone, so we don't know how to say it. But, right?
Can we be still not using shift lock?
He's gonna use it. It's a good clear though. We don't know what Vivapod's doing.
Yeah.
Because Vivatide might get a chance here. Vivapod came out. The Siberians are getting destroyed. Vivapod was right. He is going to prove the entire fan base wrong.
Yeah, he's right.
It's 4-0 right now. In that advertisement, in their introduction, they said Helsinki Seagulls suck. They're getting demolished by the Helsinki Seagulls. Vivapod.
Well, they are a new team, though.
Siberians are one of the first teams. They used to be the horse racers. And it looks like a delay in game there. Yep. Alright, there's 4 minutes remaining in the period as we're here for the next face-off. Alright, Vivapod wins that. It's still in the Siberian zone, though. Vivapod aggressively getting the puck.
He's finally using shift lock.
Oh, what a shot! Missed it though.
Again.
He's so close.
Again! Own goal again!
Own goal again. Alright, 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this period. Last period, face off.
Go! Face off!
And we don't even know what happened there.
Yeah, we don't even know.
Alright. Vivapod fighting here. So it's 5. Alright, here we go. We don't even know what's happening here. Alright, Vivapod with the puck. Not using shift lock. If he used shift lock, he would probably already scored if he used shift lock.
Yeah.
Just wide.
Why?
That was just wide. Cleared out. That was just wide too. Vivapod does these really accurate clears.
Yeah.
Vivapod is known for being a sniper in this league. He scored a couple goals from the other end of the ice once, a couple times. All right. Vivapod is like struggling by himself along the boards. Yeah. And it looks like it's really close. Oh, Viva Todd with a nice clear into the neutral zone.
Yep.
Viva Todd's in front. Bro, he would have scored if he just used shift lock, but instead he waited and just shot it. This dude's got to use shift lock so much more.
Yeah, I don't know what
2 minutes remaining. Well, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Cleared out, I think. I don't know what happened there. Viva Todd probably would have already had like 2 goals if he used shift lock more. But instead he just wants to shoot, not knowing that it's not as accurate, but it's cleared out. It's now in the Seagulls zone. The Siberians finally hit 10 shots, while the Seagulls have 18 now. All right, it's behind the Seagulls net. It's behind the Siberians net. Viva Todd still not using shift lock and just struggling himself.
Yep.
He's making himself struggle rather than Viva Pod making him struggle. It's now in the Seagulls zone. Here we go. Okay. Viva Pod with the puck. Oh, he lost possession. Viva Todd trying to steal it, not using shift lock. Like always. Okay. And 1 minute remaining in the period. Just wide. Doesn't look like the Siberians are going to get a goal in 1 minute. Viva Pod.
Bro, they're never going to get a goal.
There's less than a minute left. 55 seconds. I'd be surprised if they get a goal in this amount of time. They're now under pressure. Well, they're not.
Yeah, which still never.
Well, we know the Seagulls have won this.
Yeah, the Seagulls will win.
Seagulls have
Definitely.
won. It's 41 seconds left. Nice clear. And Viva Todd literally just ran into the boards.
Yep.
Looks like this is the end. Cleared out by Viva Pod. It's the end. It's literally the end.
Yeah, Seagulls are gonna win. It's already too late.
Trying to clear it out again.
And
it's behind the Seagulls net. Viva Pod with possession.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Seagulls win.
Yep, Seagulls win.